Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a short story by A.R. Barton, Going Places. About the author. A.R. Barton is the author of the story, who is a modern writer who lives in Zurich and writes in English. His stories are mainly based on the problems of adolescence. Now the introduction of the story. Going Places is a short story by A.R. Barton which presents the dreams, desires and perceptions of an adolescent girl, Sophie. Here Barton explores the themes of adolescence hero worship and fantasizing. The story centers Sophie, who belongs to a lower middle class family, her dreams and fantasies. She dreams of having a comfortable and luxurious lifestyle for herself. She is a daydreamer. Her family and friends try to stop her daydreaming, but she keeps on building castles in the air. When reality hits her, all her dreams appear to be shattered. The author has thus highlighted the pain of unfulfilled promises and unrealized dreams. Now, the theme of the story. The theme of the story is adolescent hero worship and fantasizing, and the sub theme is relationship with family and friends. Now, the characters of the story. There are six characters in the story, but we are going to discuss here about only the six of them. So, the first character, Sophie. Sophie is a teenage school-going girl and the central character of the story, who belongs to a family of weak socio-economic background. She is highly ambitious, romantic in nature, and a daydreamer who lives in a make-believe world. She is unhappy with her present life situation and wants to have a comfortable and luxurious life for herself. To fulfill her desires, she often makes unrealistic and baseless plans, as to open a boutique shop, to become a manager, an actress, or a fashion designer. She also fantasizes meeting with star Irish footballer Danny Casey. Jancy. Jancy is Sophie's friend and a sharp contrast to Sophie's romantic nature. She is a realistic, practical, and balanced person. She realizes the futility of Sophie's dreams and often tries to pull her back to reality. Character Geoff. Geoff is the elder brother of Sophie, who is an apprentice mechanic. He is an independent and reserved person who speaks little. He symbolizes freedom for Sophie. He is a mystery and a source of fascination for her. Sophie trusts him and shares her secrets with him. Danny Casey. Danny Casey is a talented footballer who is the local hero and idolized by Sophie. Sophie's father is a strong, practical, and hard-working person who wants to provide better facilities for his family. Signs of labor is reflected from his face. He is a realistic person who dislikes Sophie's wild stories and does not believe her fantasies. Now, Sophie's mother. She is also a symbol of peak socio-economic condition of the family. Her shy is symbolic of suppressed desires. Few important points of the story. The story begins with two school-going girls, Sophie and Jancy. They are coming back from school and talking about their future plans after school education. Sophie wants to have a boutique shop, but Jancy doubts as it needed a huge amount of money. But Sophie discloses her plans of finding money, and she says that she would find money by working as a manager or an actress or a fashion designer. But Jancy doubts that because she thinks that it is quite difficult to get a job of a manager or to become an actress or fashion designer. It is not only difficult but it is quite impossible for Sophie just after leaving the school. She also thinks that they are earmarked for biscuit factory because of their family background, that is uh, lower middle class. But Sophie doesn't mm, take care of her words, and she goes on making plans. Geo is the brother of Sophie and an apprentice mechanic, and a silent and realistic fellow by nature, was in her complete trust. She confides to him her illusory meeting with Danny Casey, a young Irish football player. Character Geoff. Geoff is the elder brother of Sophie, who is an apprentice mechanic. He is an independent and reserved person who speaks little. He symbolizes freedom for Sophie. He is a mystery and a source of fascination for her. Sophie trusts him and shares her secrets with him. Now, message. What is the message of the story? The message is to dream is good. A man should dream. A person should dream. But which type of dream? The dream should be realistic. Merely fantasizing and daydreaming is a cause of disillusionment. Without hard work, mere dreams will only lead to disappointment and nothing else. That is the message that the author of the story wants to convey to the reader. So, this is the story, and uh, hope uh, you would have understand it. And thanks for watching.